Today, I'm diving into the world of flat design to see if I can create a stunning piece that captures why everyone is so obsessed with it. Flat design has been a popular trend in graphic and web design for quite some time, and for good reason. With its clean lines, simple shapes, and solid colors, it's a style that's both visually appealing and easy to use. But what makes flat design so special? Why has it gained such significant traction in recent years? Well, let's start with the basics. Flat design is all about simplicity and functionality. It's about stripping away the clutter and focusing on what really matters, the content. Flat design is often associated with modern and trendy, and that's because it's so well suited to the digital age. With more and more of our lives being lived online, we need designs that are fast, efficient, and easy to use. Flat design delivers on all counts, providing a seamless user experience that's perfect for our increasingly digital lives. And let's not forget about aesthetics. Flat design is just plain cool, with its bold colors and sleek lines making it a designer's dream. But flat design isn't just about looks, it's also about substance. By removing unnecessary elements, designers can focus on creating a more intuitive and user-friendly experience. And with the rise of mobile devices, flat design has become more important than ever. We need designs that can scale down to fit smaller screens, while still providing all the functionality we need. Flat design fits the bill perfectly, providing a truly mobile-first experience. So, what does the future hold for flat design? Well, one thing's for sure, it's here to stay. As technology continues to evolve, we can expect to see even more innovative and creative uses of flat design. And with its focus on simplicity, functionality, and aesthetics, it's the perfect style for our fast-paced digital world. Traditional design, on the other hand, is facing some major challenges in the modern digital landscape. One of the biggest problems is usability. With so many complex elements and features, traditional designs can be overwhelming and difficult to use. And let's not forget about aesthetic clutter. All those elaborate details and textures can make a design look cluttered and messy. But that's not all. Traditional design is often associated with skeuomorphism, a style that mimics real-world objects in digital designs. While skeuomorphism can be effective in certain contexts, it can also be problematic. For one thing, it can create a sense of familiarity, which can be useful for users who are new to digital technology. But it can also be restrictive, limiting the possibilities for innovation and creativity. And then there's the issue of digital realism. With traditional design, there's often a focus on creating photorealistic images and simulations. While this can be impressive, it can also be slow and resource-intensive. And let's not forget about load times. With so many complex elements, traditional designs can take forever to load. But traditional design isn't all bad. It has its advantages, too. For one thing, it can be highly expressive and emotive, with rich textures and subtle animations that can create a real sense of depth and immersion. And let's not forget about nostalgia. Traditional design can evoke a sense of nostalgia and familiarity, which can be powerful tools in the right context. So, what's the solution? Well, the answer lies in finding a balance between traditional and flat design. By combining the best of both worlds, designers can create experiences that are both functional and visually stunning. But let's get back to flat design. What are its core principles? Well, simplicity is key. Flat design is all about stripping away the unnecessary and focusing on what really matters. And then there's functionality. Flat design is all about creating a seamless user experience that's fast, efficient, and easy to use. And let's not forget about aesthetics. Flat design is all about clean lines, simple shapes, and bold colors. It's a style that's both modern and timeless, with a focus on simplicity and elegance. But flat design isn't just about looks, it's also about substance. By removing unnecessary elements, designers can focus on creating a more intuitive and user-friendly experience. One of the key principles of flat design is the use of solid colors, bold, bright, and unapologetic. These colors are used to create a visual hierarchy, drawing the user's attention to the most important elements. And then there's typography. Flat design often uses simple, sans serif fonts that are easy to read and understand. But flat design isn't just about visual elements, it's also about interaction. By creating a seamless and intuitive experience, designers can make the user feel like they're in control. And let's not forget about feedback. With flat design, feedback is often subtle and unobtrusive, providing the user with a sense of confidence and certainty. So, what are some successful examples of flat design? Well, one of the most famous is Microsoft's Windows 8 operating system. With its bold colors and simple shapes, Windows 8 is a masterclass in flat design. And let's not forget about Google's material design. This design language is all about flat design principles, with a focus on simplicity, functionality, and aesthetics. But flat design isn't just limited to tech giants, it's also being used by startups and small businesses. With its focus on simplicity and efficiency, flat design is perfect for companies that want to make a big impact on a small budget. One of the most pivotal moments in the history of flat design was the launch of Windows 8. This operating system was a game changer, providing a flat design aesthetic that was modern, elegant, and highly functional. And let's not forget about the impact of Google's material design. This design language has been hugely influential, providing a set of principles and guidelines that designers can use to create stunning flat designs. But flat design has a long history that predates Windows 8 in material design. In the early 2000s, designers were already experimenting with flat design principles, creating simple and functional designs that were ahead of their time. So, what can we learn from the history of flat design? Well, one thing's for sure, it's a style that's constantly evolving, with new and innovative uses emerging all the time. And let's not forget about the importance of simplicity and functionality. These principles are at the heart of flat design, providing a foundation for stunning and effective designs. In conclusion, flat design is a style that's truly unique, with its focus on simplicity, functionality, and aesthetics making it perfect for our fast-paced digital world. Whether you're a designer, a developer, or just someone who loves great design, flat design is definitely worth exploring. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to comment below with your favorite examples of flat design. If you're new here, consider subscribing for more videos on design trends and tips.